It's going on its own. She can't catch it.
Poppy, that's Sage.
Oh, she hit him in the head with it. Happy Valentine's Day. My little man is feeling a little bit better. We don't have a fever. And Poppy, you look pretty. Yeah, you look pretty in your new sweater. It's not that long on her, but the sleeves are really long. It's an 18 months that I bought. Oh, was it a week or two ago now? I'll link the video up above. That's Mickey. Thank you. Well, happy Valentine's Day, love bugs. I'm glad to see you feeling better. He slept all night. No fever. So that's a good sign. Waiting for a rash. Hopefully that's it. I'd like to just at least know what it is. So that would give us some closure. But if we don't find out and if nothing else happens, then okay. Just as long as you're happy and healthy. Right, Poppy? So yeah, we don't like to see brother sad.
Those are little Valentines. This is Sagey. Nope. Yeah, that's Sagey. This is Poppy. Yeah.
Thanks, an envelope.
They're just happy to get anything. Here, Sage, come here. Let me open it for you. Come here. Book. Let me open it for you.
That's the best Valentine's Day present anyone could get you, isn't it?
Oh, how cute. Let's open it, Pop. What do you see inside? Come here. Let's open it. You worry us. Yeah. You shake it hard enough, maybe you'll get the card to come out. Come on. What you're shaking it too. Come on.
Well, she's going to figure it out.
What's in there? What's in there, Sagey? Yeah, come here. Let me help. Let me help you. Come on, I'll help you. She's going to sit down and do it. Look.
There's something in the envelope.
Look. What's in there? Uh-oh. This is for your savings. Thanks for your savings account. Sagey, here. This is yours. That's your card. Look. Here's Sage.
Here, bud. Oh, it says, I love you.
Here, Mommy. I like the verse in this one. They don't have as cute verses for little boys. Here, well, can I read it to you? Can I read to you? Once upon a time.
Oh, you're giving it a kiss. Oh.
That is so cute.
What's on there? Is that a little princess?
It's a princess. She's a princess.
Sage, don't bend it all up, bud.
Oh, he's still kissing it.
Sage, don't do that. No. You be nice to the teddy bear.
Yeah,
Say nice teddy bear.
I intended after I left here yesterday to go out and buy them both a book to go with their cards. And I left here. I was so tired. I just didn't know. I just wanted to get home.
Can we read what's inside yours? Once upon a time, there was a poppy. Oh my, it's a big one. She says, no, that's for my eyes only.
It's a really cute verse in hers.
Tell Aunt Shaw and Uncle Tom thank you.
You're welcome.
She looked at you.
You're welcome.
Buddy, I don't want you to rip this. Can Mommy take these and keep them safe? Yeah, right.
She's checking his out.
Sage, don't do that. You're such a boy.
It's a cute little top that she's got on.
I give Aunt Shar her Valentine.
Oh.
Give it to Aunt Shar.
Valentine's for us too.
Yep. You gonna give us to Aunt Shar?
That is so precious.
I don't know whose kids that one is.
Oh, this is very special. This will go in my box and I will keep it forever. Aww. That is
I don't know who that.
cute.
Turn it over.
Turn it over. That's cute.
Oh, that's Poppy's.
Poppy. Oh, that is really cute.
Okay, here we're gonna give that one to Aunt Shar.
Thank you, Sage. Thank you. That's really special. Oh, wait till I show Tom. It's your destiny to have a great Valentine's Day. That's cute. Thank you. There was a little princess whose smile could light the day. Her precious personality brought fans from miles away. Happiness was everywhere this little one would go. She filled the world with magic and was very nice to know. And sweetheart, you are just like her, so special, sweet, and fun. A darling little princess who is loved by everyone. We're going to get her some princess stuff. We're going to get her some princess stuff. You want to read it again? In his eyes.
Sage.
Sage, you're getting dizzy, buddy. You're going to fall down. Look at that little princess.
No spinning.
Happy Valentine's Day to our precious little Poppy. And sweet. I rough you in the evening when the moon lights up the night. Uh-oh, I told you Grammy was bringing stuff for you. I told you. Oh, look at this face, Ellen. Look at this face.
She's gonna drop the card for the first time. She's like, okay, I'm over that.
Okay. What we're gonna do here? Well, first we have English muffins for HR.
Thank
Oh.
you. Thank you.
Then we have Sage and Poppy. Ready? And we have Poppy and Sage.
Aw.
Goodness.
I've never seen a koala bear. I love
They're
that.
cute. He's cute. He really is.
Aw.
She has a nose, Pop. Where's her nose? Pull it out.
Come on. You want this?
Oh, more cards, Poppy. Look at that. Look.
You know what I screwed up?
More cards.
I got them different ones. An Archer one like this. Didn't happen like that. They got the same card. Here, you want this?
Oh, say, sure, I'll have that.
Say, gee, this one's yours.
He says they both look the same to me.
Oh.
Yes, they do.
There's money falling out. Here, give this to Mommy.
Where's that nose, Poppy?
There's another 5 in. Oh, you got it. Give that to
Poppy,
Mommy.
where's the nose?
Okay, look at the monkey. Did you
I wanted
see
to
the
run out
monkey?
last night.
Oh, that's you, I know.
Aw, look at him. He is
I
cute.
love them. They're so nice. Oh,
Yeah, cute card.
no.
She's going to be a princess. We're going to make her a princess.
I think he likes him.
He does. Did you see? I went to touch him and he went like,
I know.
jumped in back.
Thank you. It's an owl.
Oh, that's cute.
What is it, Poppy?
I wanted to get something different. Archer's is an elephant.
Oh, okay.
Come on, my baby. Oh. I'm really glad
Happy
you
Valentine's
like that
Day.
one. My little Valentine's. Taking it. Oh, Poppy! He's gonna look at it. Look at him.
Isn't this cute? Oh, that's so special. A little
I'm ripping
Valentine
it.
from them.
It's your destiny to have a great Valentine's Day. Baby shark, baby shark. Did you see the baby shark?
Give it to Grammy, Sage.
Aw, love you guys. Come here, Stinky.
You like spiders, Poppy.
She's liking this one.
Aw, that is sweet. She brought you your new teddy. I don't need Daniel. Thank you, though. Thank you. All right, Daddy's bringing you in your Valentine's Day gift for Mommy and Daddy. What happened? Oh,
We'll see
what
which one
does
she
Daddy
goes for. Which one do you think
got?
she's
Well,
gonna go
don't
for?
let her take his. What's Daddy got? Look, buddy.
Look, Sage.
She wants Minnie. Give her Minnie.
Look, Sage. Look.
You got a minivan. Happy Valentine's Day, babies. Sage got a garbage truck.
I got the remote control in my pocket.
Oh, you're gonna trick her.
That's a street sweeper.
Oh, sorry.
It's supposed to pick up matchbooks, but I don't know if he's ready for matchbook.
That's a cool big truck, huh, buddy? How's the truck go? Beep, beep. Vroom, 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 vroom. Poppy got Minnie and Daisy. Yeah, Minnie and Daisy. I guess they are bigger than I thought. Uh-oh. She sees the little one. Beep, beep. Vroom, vroom.
Vroom, vroom, Poppy. That's safe.
Oh, she hit him in the head with it. Buddy. Oh, it was an accident.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's our first vehicle,
Yeah.
other than a little mini car.
Beep, beep. It's going on its own. That car has a mind of its own. What's it doing? She can't catch it. Here's your card. See if you like it. Looky. What is that? It don't make noise.
Hey, hey, hey. You knock it off, dude.
Who is that? What do you got,
Happy
Pop?
Valentine's Day. Come here, Sage. Look at this one. It's different. Why is he going that corner?
Because if he doesn't, Poppy takes it.
Oh.
Look at the dog. Look. As soon as she sees that, she's gonna take it.
Oh boy.
When you turn the pages, they run.
Here's another one. And I have one more. Here, Sage. Sage. Oh boy. What is that? The town. Trolley? Or no, it's his bed. Sage's card, huh? It's on his horsey. It's something different. I thought he'd like that. I don't know. Come up and then we'll knock him down. Here's your ball. Here, you roll it. Knock him down. No, the pins. Like this. Whee! Dry! Okay, number 3. What number you have? 6. Strike! Oh. Okay, fine. Oh, thank you. That's Dory. I mean, Nemo. And Nemo's ball is on to him. See, they're helping him. Be kind, neighbor. You're a special light.
Today's shout out goes to Hunter's wifey watching from Washington. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys would like to be a part of Sage and Poppy's baby book, go ahead and leave them a message down below, and or just let us know where you're watching from, which state or which country, and we will be sure to include you into their baby book. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really do appreciate it, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye!